This is the Boyles Law Interactive Calculator, which solves gas pressure and volume relationships when temperature remains constant. Let's look at the input fields. First, we have a calculation mode drop-down menu with 6 options. Calculate final volume V2, calculate final pressure P2, calculate initial volume V1, calculate initial pressure P1, calculate compression ratio, and calculate volume change delta V. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate final volume. The 4 main input fields are initial pressure P1, initial volume V1, final pressure P2, and final volume V2. You'll enter values in 3 of these fields, and the calculator determines the 4th based on your selected calculation mode. For our example, I'll enter 14.7 for initial pressure P1, 100 for initial volume V1, and 29.4 for final pressure P2. After clicking Calculate, the Results section displays the calculated final volume V2, the P1 V1 and P2 V2 products, which should be equal according to Boyles' law, the compression or expansion ratio, volume change, pressure change, and whether this represents a compression or expansion process. The calculator also provides warnings if any physical constraints are violated. This tool streamlines pressure-volume calculations for pneumatic system design and analysis. Find the link in the description below.